Okay, everyone, this week we are making cocktails, and I'm gonna tell you 3 easy steps. You don't even have to have any skills, you don't even have to have any experience, you just have to know these 3 things to make a cocktail. Go. The reason I'm making a cocktail this week is because I was actually motivated by an amazing company that is reaching out to all bartenders that are unemployed. Yes, I'm an unemployed bartender. But first, my name is Timothy Sands, and this is Fashionable Father. If you're one of the first lucky subscribers, welcome back. And if you're new here, subscribe if you're so inclined. We have videos about fashion, we have videos about fatherhood, and we have videos about alcohol. Before we get into this, I want to show you the whole process of trying to find, yes, this very specific Applejack brandy. So let's rewind a little bit and go back in time. I am breaking a rule. I hate to admit this. This week in LA, they said, please just try to stay home. Like if you can stay home this week, stay home. And we were doing really well. We had gone to the store on Saturday, but breaking the rules because, you know, there's this competition. Anyways, I know. What's wrong? All right. So I haven't been out in, I don't know, quite a while. And I think two surprising things. First of all, I thought masks were mandatory here in LA, and I'm not. There's not that many people wearing masks. I mean, like half, I'd say 50%. Secondly, ice cream? Is ice cream essential? All right, so that was a fail. They did not have Laird's. Alright, so I just went in there, found out they do not have any Laird's Applejack, so I think I'm gonna do like one more stop. The messed up thing about Monterey Park in LA here is I don't have a Bevmo, and their liquor stores are just lame. They're like crappy little markets. Also, by the way, if you wanna know how bad your breath stinks, wear one of these. You know what I'm saying? It's a nice little circulation of your breath. Woo! To not be dissuaded, is that a double negative? Anyways, to not be dissuaded, I am going to head out to Bevmo. However, I found out this morning, I don't think Bevmo is actually letting anybody in. I think they just deliver it curbside. So I went online, found that they do have Laird's. I asked Arthur if he would like to go, and he's gonna go with me. Also, courtesy of Corey, thank you, he sent us some masks. I think I would have chosen a different color scheme. I'm gonna be perfectly honest with you, Corey. But beggars cannot be choosers, and I thank you. So, to tell you the truth, I really don't know how this works. And I guess I wait for my order? I don't know, they got it pretty well organized, but figure it out when I get over there, huh? So for the first step, actually, you know what? Let's try tasting this stuff. I have never, ever had Applejack. Laird's Applejack Brandy. Yes, apparently one of my first, or I don't know, third sponsored videos. Well, I thought it was gonna be sweeter than that. Wow, okay.
How's it taste?
It tastes like brandy. Huh. First steps in any alcoholic cocktail is the fact that you use a specific base. And when I say base, this is how I learned from an amazing bartender when I was bar backing early in the days. she told me these 3 steps. So the first step is you figure out your base. Obviously your base is either gonna be vodka, tequila, whiskey, gin. Scotch sometimes, but most people are really just drinking that over ice. So let's just try something. I have not prepared any of this. This is just me going with the realm here. I have washed my hands if anybody's concerned. So I think that's about 2 ounces. So the next step in any cocktail is the sweetener. And that you don't go heavy with. You just give it a little something. And for this one, I am gonna use butterscotch. And I'm just gonna give it just like a little bit of a hint of butterscotch. I'm not gonna do it heavy because I think this goes pretty far. Third step with any cocktail is you have to have a balance. So you have your base and you have something to sweeten it up, something to kind of change the flavor of it or add to the flavor would be better. And then your balance is usually a nice like sour mix or even just like fresh lemon juice or fresh lime, whatever you like. I like to go with lemon because I don't like the profound taste of lime all the time in drinks. I feel like it's overused. But lime, sour mix is basically lime and sweetener, is one of the main go-tos to balance out a drink. I think this cocktail is more of like a rusty nail. You just give us a little bit of a chill, a little bit of a mix, right? I've never done anything brandy with butterscotch schnapps, and we're gonna pour it. We're gonna pour it in this glass right here, and we're gonna taste this bad boy. I'm gonna taste it. Oh, I went a little too heavy on the butterscotch. But taste that. It's too sweet, isn't it?
A little bit.
Just for fun. This is what you do. This is what you do when you make cocktails. This is what you do. We're just gonna throw a little more brandy in. That's a good after dinner drink. Let's go even further. Let's try this. Let's try this. I don't think this is gonna be good. This is the magic of making cocktails right here. Is you try. That's not bad.
Oh.
That's not bad. That's almost like a sour. Let's try that. Wow, I'm surprised by that actually. That's not bad. So see, once again, 3 steps. I missed a step.
Ooh.
I know, see?
I would drink this.
I would drink that. So I had that was fresh lemon juice, as I stated before. I'm a big lemon juice fan. Look at us. This is day drinking. If anybody's worried about this is day drinking, we're in quarantine and it's Saturday, so this is legal. This is completely legal.
And I'm in my pajamas.
Is this a go? This might be a front runner right here. This is pretty decent. I think that's a decent cocktail. And that it's brandy, I feel like it's very close to kind of the whiskey world. So I think next step is gonna be, so this is orange bitters. And for sure I wanna use a balance on this. I don't know, I'm gonna ask Megan, what does she think? You think lime or lemon? Let's try this, let's try some lime. This is better shaken. Did I go heavy on that lime? I think I did. Okay.
Add more alcohol.
Yeah, add more alcohol, as my lush of a wife says. A little stir. This is weird to bartend at home. I don't have all the awesome setup that I usually have. Oh. That's strong. That's a lot of brandy going on. You want to taste this? It's not a winner. I think the butterscotch is actually a little better. I'm thinking like a brandy Manhattan, but instead like perfect. So I've never even tried this stuff right here. Ooh, that's a lot of brandy. A little bit of dry. Vermouth. This is vermouth. I don't know if I was clear on that. So when you make Manhattans and you make them perfect, you split these two. They're definitely stirred drinks for sure. I think I'm gonna like this, I'll be honest. I think this is gonna be good. I like it perfect, yeah. Ooh, that's good. This is really good. This is a contender. I like this. This is really good. That really balanced well.
Oh, I see the balance of it.
Yeah.
I'm not a fan. No.
Not a fan. That's a specific drink. It's definitely, if you're a man, ooh, I like that. This is a contender. This is really good. I've got an awesome bar back. She's really cute too.
I work for free. I'm a cheap employee.
All right, bring this in here. Well, cheers. All right, so one last cocktail. I'm gonna try a little Aperol.
I'll cheers with you.
Aperol is pretty specific. I feel like, I don't think this is gonna play. I'll be honest. I'm gonna do lime because I think the lime needs to cut it. The Aperol and the brandy. The brandy and the Aperol together, those are 2 pretty profound flavors. And then I'm gonna make Megan decide which one she liked the best. Oh, that's a winner.
Let me taste it.
I don't know, maybe I'm partial to the Aperol. That's a winner. Winner.
Oh yeah, I'd drink this.
Chicken dinner.
I would, even though I'm not a brandy fan. I'd be into that.
Yeah, so that really balances well. So I think it was a toss-up between this and the butterscotch schnapps. That played. I did not expect that to play as much as it did. Find your base, right? Find your base. What do you like to drink? Are you a tequila person? Are you a vodka person? Are you a gin person? Then you sweeten up your base, because drinking anything straight, you know, puts hair in the chest, but also doesn't exactly make things enjoyable. You put a little sweetener with it. But again, alcohol is already sweet. Then you put a balance in, and that balance should complement, but also take away from all the sweet that's happening in the drink. So those are those are the three steps. I've had a little. That doesn't take much. I'm a lightweight.
Sound like it.
So that's the three steps that you do to make a cocktail. And that knowledge that was bestowed upon me when I was first bar backing has been tremendous. That is pretty much how I approach most of my cocktail making. And it always works. It seldom backfires on me. I do it over there.
Crazy.
Hey, do you want to cheers?
You go cheers?
Here, buddy.
Apple juice.
Okay. Cheers. Thanks,
Cheers.
bud. That is delicious. Laird's, thank you for reaching out to all the bartenders and doing this amazing competition. This is fantastic. Did anybody notice the towel? It's got donuts on it. Cheers to Laird's Applejack and an amazing competition for all us unemployed bartenders out there. Thank you. And to the rest of you amazing subscribers, my name is Timothy Sands. This is my story of fashion and fatherhood, and this is a cocktail that I think you might just enjoy. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. I hope everybody's safe and healthy and not going absolutely insane, especially the people who are living alone. That can't be easy. Did I already say my name's Timothy Sands? This is Fashion and Father?
You did, baby.
This is probably one of the first videos I made about bartending, mostly because I like to leave work at work. But if you like this video, I think you might like this video right here. It is about how I make smoothies every day for me and my little guys. So yeah, it is kind of about the kitchen. So I figure you might want to watch that one as well. Thanks for tuning in. And always remember, style first.
Style first.
That's what I'm talking about. You want to cheers me?